Hello, this is a quick update on a couple of things, namely us finishing Level Design Jam 2 and our plans for Jam 3, which will start in January, and how you can get involved. That's 3 things, never mind. All of the levels and gameplay you see in this video were things that we made in Jam 2, which was 1 month long and where the themes were non-violence and verticality. We actually had twice as many submissions as last time, so the clips I'm showing you here are only a small selection from all the stuff that was made. If you want to see them all, you can go to our itch page now where we host all the submissions, and I'll put the link in the video description. One thing that will always be the case for our level design jams is that the submissions need to be genuinely playable levels. This is because the whole reason I'm doing these jams is to help people create meaningful portfolio work. And I think making proper, fully playable levels is the best thing you can do to get into the industry or get that next job and generally improve as a designer. The big change for Jam 2 was that we opened up the floodgates to allow everyone to make levels with whichever game engine or level editor that they like. This is different to the first Jam, where I specifically asked everybody to create a Half-Life 2 level, to allow everybody to help each other and give our community a kind of shared experience working on the same kind of thing at the same time. What we're finding is that there are interesting pros and cons to both of these approaches. The main benefit this time around, of course, was the increased diversity of projects that people made. We got everything from levels for Half-Life 2 and Portal, to Unity and Unreal projects made from scratch using assets bought from the stores and stuff like that, and also a few options that I didn't even know about. It turns out that you can make your own Mirror's Edge levels, and there's an official LEGO game kit for Unity. And there's also an indie skateboarding game called Sessions that you can use Unreal to make skate packs for. All really cool stuff. This range of projects was really cool to see, but the downside compared to last time was that because everybody's making different things in different tools, there was a little bit less discussion and sharing and playtesting happening on the Discord server, because everybody's just doing different things. And in the end, a lot of us agreed that we want to try and preserve some of that sense of working together and helping each other out. So, here's the plan for the next jam, and all of our jams going forwards. From now on, we're going to mix it up each time and alternate between jams where you can use whatever tools or editors that you like, and also jams that are a bit more focused on a particular thing. As I mentioned, our next jam is going to take place in the second half of January next year, and with this one I'm trying to strike a balance between it being more focused, but still giving people a range of things to choose from that appeals to them. So after a bit of feedback from the community, we've decided that jam number 3 is going to be a Source Engine jam, which means people can make levels for any Source Engine game, whether that's Half-Life 2 or Portal, a little co-op survival level for Left 4 Dead, competitive multiplayer maps for Counter-Strike or Team Fortress 2, and for anyone into the VR thing, there's also Half-Life Alyx as well. Regardless of what people choose to make, I'll be continuing to encourage as much playtesting of each other's levels as we can, and I mean this during the jam, so that people have time to iterate based on real player feedback before they submit their final work. I'll never stop banging on about how fundamental playtesting is to the process of making a level that actually works and is good, and I want to reflect this in the way that we do these jams. If you like the sound of all this and want to get involved, then it all happens on our Discord server, and supporting the Patreon is how you unlock all the community channels. I genuinely think that it's a cool little community that we've built up, and we'd love to see you join in. Again, check out the links in the video description. That's all for now. Cheers for listening, and see you around. Bye!